Welcome to 7673 Corto Road, one of the first modern homes of its kind in North Orange County. So the home was just completed. It's a total of a little over 5,500 square feet. We have 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, plus an office and a loft. All right, let me take you guys through the house. The cool thing about this property is all the driveway space. You can probably park 10 to 12 cars on the driveway. The usable lot on this is about 15,000 on the pad size. And then check out all the views too. So you're gonna get the snow-capped mountains in the background. You're gonna get city lights with Yorba Linda. And one of my favorite is that tree in the background. Notice all the tile facade and all the smooth stucco, all the clean lines, which is what you come to expect in a modern house. Come with me. So the front door is a 600-pound solid wood pivot door. The nice thing about the door, it turns with a touch. So this is a totally open concept type floor plan, which you come to expect in a modern house. When you enter through, the really nice thing is the wide staircase. We actually added a couple stairs with the risers to create a walkable area underneath, so all the space in the home is usable. This is actually, could be built out for a wine cellar, a storage, it goes all the way around. So as far as the quality in the house, all your interior doors are all 2-inch thick solid doors. Come to the open space. So open living family room. We got the linear fireplace. The whole entire house is wired and set up for speakers. All the speakers are in right now. So the really cool thing about this house, which you can only almost do with ground up construction with steel framing, the cantilevers across, is doing the 0 corner windows and doors. So all these custom windows and doors on this side, so kitchen, in the family room, and then up by the staircase are all Fleetwood commercial grade. So the cool thing about these, they slide nice and easy, and they all pocket too. The nice thing about this concept, it's what everybody's looking for today. You have the indoor and the outdoor living, and it all becomes one. Come on and check out the kitchen. So if you're looking for a great kitchen and you love to cook, you got dual islands, all quartz, waterfall, all custom cabinetry, soft close. You have 2 dishwashers, nice prep island and prep sink, microwave, and then you have the Wolf 48-inch slide-in range. So you got the dual ovens, you got the griddle, the 6 burners, 1200 CFM fan if you like to do a lot of heavy cooking. And it's completely open. You have the little coffee bar area over here. And then really what's changed with modern design is that we don't necessarily have any formal dining rooms anymore. So they mostly are informal. But we got a huge space right here for a big table to entertain your guests, which flows into the kitchen and the living space. The refrigerator, Sub-Zero built-in refrigerator. And then what's great too is that if you do love to cook and shop at Costco, come in and take a look at the fully built out walk-in pantry area. So this home was built for light and bright. As you notice, all the windows and the doors that surround the area. You could turn all the lights off and it still feels like the outdoors is indoors right now. The other thing is all your other exterior windows and doors, they're all high-end Marvin integrity. Step into the executive office, which is not part of the bed count. And it has its own slider, which accesses the side yard as well. So what everybody comes to expect with new homes today is home automation. So this entire property and home is fully wired for all your audio video in every single bedroom and office and loft area. Cameras throughout the entire property, everything is wired, and then also for alarm and etc. So this is where your rack system is going to sit for all your receivers and so forth, so you can operate everything off your phone. So the other cool thing about this property is you have 2 powder rooms. So you have a main floor powder room and a powder room upstairs. Your main floor powder room is right down here. So another important aspect I know when people are looking at these type of properties is garaging. So then one nice thing about this garage is it's completely finished off, so you don't have any hot water heaters, tankless, any furnaces in the garage. You have actually a 10-foot plate height, so you have high ceilings. And then this area is actually 25 foot deep from door to wall. So if you have big SUVs, you want to put cabinets on the back, it's fully capable. And then you have the third car bay right here. Everything also is wired for 240 too, so if you have any electric cars, everything is wired for that. So one of the unique features too about this home is that for multi-generational living or long-term guests, is that the downstairs bedroom is pretty much a secondary master suite. I mean, it's huge. You got a king-size bed right here and then all this space as well. Again, you have 10-foot plate heights in here, so you have nice high ceilings. And then you have good-sized bathroom with a walk-in shower and a walk-in closet as well. So now I'm going to take you guys upstairs. One of the really unique features about this home with the zero corner windows is all the natural light with this huge custom window right at the top of the staircase, which is going to bring a lot of the natural light in, and it's going to enhance all the views of the property. The nice thing too is all the surfaces are hard surfaces, so we don't have any carpet in the property. All the flooring downstairs is going to be wood tile, and then upstairs we actually have real wood and then tile in the bathrooms. So this is kind of the team area, kids area, family room setting. Again, everything is wired for TVs. All the speakers throughout the entire house are actually already installed, so all ceiling speakers throughout. And then off of this loft area is you have the upstairs laundry. So this is actually another secondary upstairs bedroom. Notice the size of these rooms. This is a king size bed and you still have all this space in here, which makes it really unique and nice. All these bedrooms upstairs do have terraces and view balconies. And every single bedroom is customized, so they're all different, as you're going to notice when you come through. This one also has a large walk-in closet as well. So off the upstairs loft area, as I mentioned before, you do have a secondary powder room as well. So what's nice is all the bedrooms are en suite with all their own bathrooms, and then you have a powder room up and again a powder room down. So the one thing too, which is really nice for the living area, is that you have the 20-foot ceiling. So this is all completely open to the downstairs. Again, all the windows across, and then down below all the open pocket doors. So the home has 3 systems. So the one furnace is downstairs, you have the 2 furnaces up here, so everything is zoned. And then on these two bedrooms mimic one another. They actually do share a terrace, so they each have their own sliders that lead out to the terrace area. And then again, they are en suite, so they all have their own bathrooms as well. Yeah, so in this one's gonna have the walk-in shower, nice vanity area. So the one nice thing is, this being the smallest of the 5 bedrooms, it's still actually a really good size. So it's really hard to find a home today with really the bedroom sizes that you do have in this home, especially since you have almost 3 master suites. Now I'm going to take you to the best part. So here is your master suite. And again, we enhanced all the views and all the natural light by doing the 0 corners. You have a walkout balcony area, the lineal fireplace, and again, everything, this is what you're gonna find in every single bedroom, office, and loft. All your Cat 6 and everything is run directly here. All the fireplaces are on remote. They are LED lighting as well on the bottom. And then look at what you're gonna be looking at when you wake up and when you go to bed. It's pretty incredible. So lastly is gonna be the master bath. So the master bath is laid out with his and hers vanities. So this is gonna be her vanity, makeup station, of course, extra storage for all her needs. And then, sorry guys, this is you right here. right off the walk-in shower area. The really nice thing about this walk-in shower and this concept is that everything is enclosed in the shower. So you can actually do a zero rim flow tub where basically the water rolls off, is gonna go into the drains. You have his and her shower on the side, and then you have the rain shower up top. And then you have two closets in the master. So the closet's already built out. So this is the large walk-in closet right here with center island, pull-out drawers, lots of hanging space. And then you have an additional closet over here that has not been built out yet, but is still a pretty good size. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the conceptuals that we actually did based on what you can actually do on this lot with outdoor entertainment, pool, barbecue area, and so forth. Now I'm going to take you guys out to actually look at the yard space. The nice thing about this property is that you have actually dual yards. So as you saw in the concept right here, you have the ability to put kind of a zero negative edge pool right here that's looking out on the expanse of the horizon. There really is a ton of space in this yard. So this is the additional side yard space, which it's a huge usable pad. You could even do like a 3-foot retaining wall and create a little bit more space in here. But what a great spot for the kids. You could put play equipment over here. The kids can kick the soccer ball around. You could do a workout area, little guest facility. So there's a lot of uses for this area. And again, what an incredible view. So I wanted to thank you guys on joining me on this tour of this incredible home. Please give us a call if you'd like to take a private tour, 714-602-3557.